Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you all are well and good. The topic of today is the adverb. Today, today I am going to teach you the adverb and its kinds. Okay. First, I will read the definition of adverb. What is a adverb? The definition of adverb is: an adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb and tells us how a thing is done, when it is done, or where it is done. The examples of the adverbs are: the birds sang sweetly. Student, you can see I highlighted the word sweetly. It means it is our adverb. The bird sang sweetly. Sweetly is our adverb. Second is Hari came yesterday. Yesterday is our adverb. Third, the sun shines everywhere. In this sentence, the word everywhere is our adverb. Okay, now kinds of adverb. There are 6 kinds of adverb. First, adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of number, adverbs of degree, and 6th is interrogative adverbs. First is your adverbs of manner. What is a adverb of manner? First, here I written 2 examples. She behaved foolishly. Foolishly is our adverb of manner. He ran fast. Run fast is our adverb of manner. Now, Sita writes neatly. Neatly is our adverb of manner. The adverbs foolishly, fast, and neatly. All these 3 adverbs show how an action is done. How an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverbs of manner. Adverb of manners answer the question how. Adverb of manner answer the question of how. Here is example. She behaved foolishly. So we can make the question for this statement how she behaved. Then answer will be she behaved foolishly. Understand? And in second example, he ran fast. The question will be how he ran. How he ran. Then answer will be he ran fast. This word is fast and foolishly. Both words are giving the answer of question how. When the adverb gives the answer of question how, so you can understand it is our adverb of manners. And here one more example is here. Sita writes neatly. So we can make question with how. How Sita writes. How Sita writes. The answer will be Sita writes neatly. It means this statement is giving the answer of question how. So it is the adverb of manner. Understand? Now second is adverb of place. This one. Adverb of place. Examples. The boys are waiting outside. Again here I highlighted all the adverbs of place. This outside is our adverb of place. Second is we looked for her everywhere. We looked for her everywhere. Then third is the girls run forward. So these adverbs outside, everywhere and forward show where an action is done. Such adverbs are called adverb of place. Adverb of place answer the question where. Adverbs which give the answer of question where, it means it is the adverb of place. The boys are waiting outside. This is your first example na. I will make the question for it with this where. Where the boys are waiting. This is the question. Where the boys are waiting. The answer will be the boys are waiting outside. It means this outside is our adverb of place. This word is giving the answer of question where. Okay, now second. We looked for her everywhere. We looked for her everywhere. Now question, we have to make the question with where. Where we looked for her. Question is where we looked for her. And answer is this everywhere is giving the answer of question where. We looked for her everywhere. So this everywhere word is our adverb of place. Third, the girls run forward. Forward is our adverb. Now question with where. Where the girls run. The girls run forward. This is the answer, forward. Understand? So all these words are showing where an action is done. So it is our action or adverbs of place. These adverbs are adverbs of place. Now adverb of time. Here, he will come today. He came here daily. The doctor is coming immediately. So all these adverbs, today, daily and immediately, all these show when an action is done. When an action is done. So this type of adverbs are called adverbs of time. Adverbs of time always give the answer, the question when. The doctor is coming immediately. When the doctor is coming. The doctor is coming immediately. He will come today. When will he come? He will come today. This is the answer. Again, he came here daily. When he came here, the answer will be he came here daily. So all these words, today, daily and immediately, this immediately giving the answer of question when. Okay, which statement gives the answer of question when? It means it is our adverb of time. Now fourth one is adverbs of number. Adverbs of number. Okay. Examples are twice the boy struck him. You are always late. He seldom came here. So all these adverbs, twice, always and seldom, show how often an action is done. So this type of adverbs are known as adverbs of number. Adverbs of number always give the answer. Number answer the question how often. How often the boy struck him? Answer will be this statement. Twice the boy struck him. How are always, no, you are always late. How often you are late? So you are late always. You are always late. Okay. Now here is your adverb of degree. Fifth kinds of adverb, adverb of degree. He was very tired. He was quite worn out. He was somewhat pleased. He was entirely deaf. All these words, very, quite, somewhat, entirely, all are the adverb of degree. Each of the adverb in the sentence show how much or to what extent a thing is done. Such adverbs are called adverb of degrees. Adverb of degrees always give the answer of question how much. Okay. Now I will explain it. He was very tired. How much he was tired? The answer will be he was very tired. He was quite worn out. How much he was worn out? He was quite worn out. This is the answer. It means all these words are giving the answer of question how much. All these highlighted words. Okay, so all these words which gives the answer of how much, it means it is our adverb of degree. One more thing is here with adverb of degree. This is here. Pay attention. B. He is quite strong. Her face is very beautiful. In this sentence, the adverb quite and very are used with adjective. It is not, I am not using this quite and very with verb. We are using these two adverb with strong. It is our adjective. He is quite strong. Strong is the adjective of he. Her face is very beautiful. And this very is using with this beautiful. Beautiful is the adjective for this her face. Okay, her face is very beautiful. So both words, strong and beautiful, both words are our adjective. So sometimes it shows the quality of adjectives also. It also used with adjectives also. Okay, beautiful here and here is strong. Quite is adverb for strong, it is an adjective, and very is the adverb for this beautiful, it is also an adjective. Understand? So in the above sentences, the adverb quite and very are used with adjectives strong and beautiful to add something to their meaning, are also called adverb of degree. These also, not only verb with these adjectives, also called adverb of degree. Okay. Now interrogative adverb. This is sixth one and last one. Interrogative adverbs. When did he came? Now you can see here in this sentence we are making the question with the help of this when. And in second sentence, how are you today? How are you today? This how word is helping us to make the question to this statement. है ना? We are making the question with the help of this when and how. So in the above sentences, the words when and how are used for asking questions. Adverbs which are used to ask question are called interrogative adverbs. What is called? It is called interrogative adverbs. Understand? Now, student, today I gave you one homework also, which you have to do in your notebook, and after completing your exercise number 27 and 28, click the picture of these exercise and upload it in your Arsal. Understand? And don't make PDF. Please don't make the PDF. Only click the picture and upload that picture only. This is your questions 27 and 28, page number 27. Page number 27, and 2 are here in page number 28, 2 sentences. Okay, this is your question. Pick out the adverb in the following sentences and say to which kind they belong. You have to write the kind of adverb in this sentence. First you have to underline the pick out the adverb. First you can underline also like this. The Rajputs fought bravely. You know, bravely is our adverb. You write here bravely. Then it ends comma, adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner. It is adverb of manner. And this answer write with dark pencil. Use dark pencil. Okay. When you will do this homework, student, write, use dark pencil. These 2 work you have to do in this homework. In this exercise you have to find out the adverb and then you have to write the kinds of that adverb. Okay, and you have to send these 2 only pages. Upload only picture of these 2 pages. Now exercise number 28. Fill in the blanks with the adverb formed from the adjectives given in the brackets. These are adjectives. You have to make here adverb with the help of these adjectives. The boy wrote his exercise. It is bad. Bad is our adjective and you have to write here adverb na. So you will make here badly. Adverb of bad is badly. B-A-D-L-Y. Badly. The boy wrote his exercise badly. Okay. And same here. Brave, bravely, well, easy, loud, hard, carefully. First you do your this work. And sorry, I told you to upload this worksheet, but it is a non-submission worksheet. Don't submit it. Okay, I will send the answer of these 2 exercises after some time. Then you have to do your correction. Okay, don't submit this worksheet. इस वर्कशीट को आपको सबमिट नहीं करना है. मैंने गलती से कह दिया था इस पिक्चर को सबमिट करना, बट डोंट सबमिट द पिक्चर ऑफ दिस वर्क. You have to do this work in your notebook or in your this book only, and after some time I will send the answer of these 2 exercises. Okay, student, thank you, and don't go outside. Obey your parents, respect your parents, and always obey your mother. Don't go outside. Okay, my dear student. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching our video.